Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing 3 free certification courses that are offered by Let's Upgrade, which is one of the most largest tech learning community in India. So before we see what are those courses and how you can register for it, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, special offers that are running in different e-learning websites, job updates, internships, workshops and other online events. So you have a lot of useful resources in AnswersQ website. Make use of it. And I just want to give a small tip for Coursera users. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top companies and universities like Google, Duke University, Stanford University. The content will be very good in the programs that are available in Coursera. So if you want to learn anything in Coursera, you can go with the Coursera Plus monthly plan. What a lot of people are doing is they are going for this single learning program. They are paying 3,000 to 6,000 per month for one particular course or specialization. But what you can do instead is you can just pay 4,306 per month with the Plus monthly offer, and you can get access to the entire Coursera platform. You can access their 3,000 plus courses, guided project specializations, professional certification programs. Anything that you want in Coursera can be accessed with this offer. So make use of it. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link, which I have given in description, and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So now let's move on and see the free certification courses that are offered by Let's Upgrade one by one. So first one is free Python program from zero to hero. So Python is used everywhere. If you want to become a data scientist, you have to learn Python. If you want to become an ML expert, that is machine learning expert, you have to learn Python. If you want to become some expert in artificial intelligence, then you have to learn Python. Python is like a basic thing these days. You have to learn it. So this free program will give you all the essentials that you will ever need to know about Python language. So it's one of the most popular programming language. It's a very good thing to learn about it. So this course will be on starting on 25th of October 2021, every day from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST, that is Indian Standard Time. You'll be having the live class, and even if you miss the live class, you can get the recording and you can watch the course. So you'll have more than 10 hours of content, and let's quickly see what are the things that will be covered. So on day one, you'll learn about the basics of Python and history of Python, syntax of Python programming. And on day 2, you'll learn about objects and data in Python, decision making in Python. And on day 3, loops with Python, modular programming in Python subjects will be covered. And furthermore, you have topics for day 4 and day 5. And after completing the course, you can get a certificate like this from Let's Upgrade. They are providing this certificate in collaboration with NSTC, that is National Skill Development Corporation, and ITM group of institutions as well. And this certificate has a lot of value, so make use of it. And it comes with a unique license key. So after completing the program and after getting your certificate, you can share your certificate on LinkedIn as well as other social media platforms if you want, and you can also add it to your resume. So this is the first program, free Python from zero to hero. And the next one is free blockchain from zero to hero. So blockchain is one of the fast growing field. In this program, you learn all the basics of blockchain, and you might also learn about some advanced concepts in this course. So this course will be starting on 23rd of October 2021, and the timing will be 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. IST. And as I said, even if you miss the live class, you can always watch the recording and complete the course. So you have this is a 2-day course. On day 1, introduction to blockchain and cryptocurrency concepts will be covered, and on day 2, you'll learn about smart contract, and you'll learn about some development environment, Truffle 4. So these concepts will be covered in this program. And again, after completing the course, you can get the certificate. You can get the certificate for all the programs which I'll be showing you in this video. So now we have seen 2 courses. One is Python and the other one is blockchain. And the third one is free TensorFlow program from zero to hero. So in this course, you'll learn all the basic things of TensorFlow, how you can use it, and all those concepts will be covered. So this course will be starting on the 23rd of October 2021, and the timing will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST if you want to take it live. If you want to watch the recording and complete the course, you can take at your own pace. There is no timing for you guys. So let's take a look at what are the concepts that will be covered. So introduction to ANN with Keras, and on day 2 you'll be learning about TensorFlow basics. On day 3 you'll be learning about neural networks. On day 4 understanding optimizers concepts will be covered, and on day 5 you have custom model and training. So these are the concepts which will be covered in this program, in this 5-day course. And again, after completing the course you can get a certificate, guys. So these are the 3 free courses that are offered by Let's Upgrade right now. So now let's move on and see how to register for these programs. Let's register for this Python program from zero to hero. So just click on this apply now button here and you'll be taken to the registration area. So just give your details here, like your name, email address, phone number, city, gender, profession and qualification, and then click on this apply now. And once you give your details and click on apply now, you'll be moving on to the thank you page. And once you come to this page, wait for a few minutes, for 5 to 10 minutes, you will get a mail like this from Let's Upgrade, and here in this mail you will get the link for lecture 1. So you can simply click on it, and once you click on this link you'll be coming to this page. So it will ask you to create an account. If you already have account, you can just log in. If you do not have account, just click on don't have an account yet and give your details here and click on register now and create your account in this Let's Upgrade platform. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. Once you log into your account, in the My Programs section, you can see the courses in which you have enrolled in. And here you can see the course which we enrolled in now, Python 0 to Hero. The class will start on Monday at 8 p.m. So this is how you need to enroll in the programs. So you can just click on start learning and take the program at the mentioned date and time. So I hope you will find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.